Stop. If you're using Claude and still getting generic robotic answers, you're doing it wrong. Dead wrong. 97% of people touch maybe 10% of what this AI can actually do, and that's exactly why they're falling behind while a quiet group of operators are building entire businesses, writing books, coding apps, and closing deals in a fraction of the time. I'm about to show you how to flip that switch, and yes, the link in the description below has everything you need. Tap it now, because by the end of this video, you'll wish you had it open already. Here's the ugly truth nobody's telling you. Claude isn't the problem. You are. You're typing prompts like it's Google. You're asking questions like it's ChatGPT from 2023. Meanwhile, Claude is the most advanced reasoning AI on the planet, and it's being wasted on grocery lists and sloppy email rewrites. Every single day you don't unlock the real methods, someone else is pulling ahead of you. Writers are publishing full books in a weekend. Founders are replacing entire teams. Freelancers are charging 10x because they deliver in hours what used to take weeks. So I sat down and reverse engineered it. Every hidden feature, every advanced prompt structure, every workflow the top 1% of Claude users guard like a secret. Agents, projects, skills, memory, artifacts, the real frameworks that turn Claude from a chatbot into a full-blown digital employee that works for you 24/7. And I put all of it, every page, every template, every copy-paste prompt, into one weapon. The complete Claude manual. Master the AI at another level. Pause the video right now. Look below. The link in the description is where you grab it. Don't scroll past. Don't save for later, because later never comes. Tap it, open the page in another tab, and come back. I'll wait. Inside this manual, you get the exact prompt architectures the pros use, the ones that make Claude think 10 levels deeper. You get done-for-you templates for writing, coding, marketing, research, and sales. You get the skills system most people don't even know exists, how to teach Claude your brand, your voice, your rules permanently. You get the project's blueprint for long-term work that doesn't reset every conversation. And you get the advanced agent workflows, the same ones power users are charging clients thousands for. This isn't theory. This isn't fluff recycled from a YouTube video. This is the operator's manual Anthropic never wrote, built for people who are done playing small. Students are using it to ace entire semesters in days. Copywriters are tripling their output. Coders are shipping apps solo. Agency owners are firing half their tools because Claude now does the work of 5 apps at once. And the people who grab it early always win, because while everyone else is still typing, "Write me a blog post," you'll be running systems. Let me be blunt. AI isn't going to replace you. Someone using AI better than you is going to replace you. The gap is opening right now, today, while you're watching this video. You can stay on the losing side, or you can spend less than the price of a pizza and finally own the skill that's separating the winners from everyone else in 2026. So here's your last call. The link is in the description right below this video. Click it. Grab the complete Claude manual. Master the AI at another level. Open it tonight. Run your first advanced prompt before you go to bed, and watch what happens to your work, your output, and your income over the next 7 days. You'll look back at this moment as the day everything changed, or the day you scrolled past and stayed stuck. Your move. Tap the link now.